More members of Jamaica's track and field delegation to the recent Tokyo 2020 Olympic Games in Japan have returned home. 2012 Olympic double sprint silver medalist Johan Blake was among the group who returned home on Monday, with most of them already looking ahead to next year's busy track and field schedule. St. Thomas is often referred to as the forgotten parish, but one of its native sons put the parish on the global map with his stunning success at the Tokyo Olympics. With vuvuzelas blaring and pot covers clanging, Hansle Parchment went... And of course, that was not Johan Blake returning. We have the correct rap now.
There were no medals to display among the group of 8 track and field athletes who returned home from the Olympic Games in Japan on Monday. But this has not left them dismayed or discouraged, as they're looking to next season's hectic schedule, which includes the World Athletic Championships and the Commonwealth Games. Sprinters Johan Blake, Julian Fort, Taekwondo Tracy, Javon Minzy, Oblique Seville, along with 400-meter hurdlers Jahil Hyde and Rhonda White, were met by government officials led by Sports Minister Olivia Grange, as well as J3's President Garth Gale. White, who false started in the opening rounds of the women's 400-meter hurdles, described her experience in Tokyo as bittersweet.
Being an Olympian is an ultimate test of my worth, so I'm really, really grateful. I just want to say that everything that goes wrong in life, there is a lesson. And there is a World Championship coming, Olympics, Commonwealth Games. So I just want to stay focused. I just want to chase my dreams no matter what. So please continue to pray for me.
Fort, who did not get past the heats of the men's 200 meters, says while he was bitterly disappointed, like his colleagues, he has begun to refocus for 2022.
We can't allow them to make us lose sight of, the fact that we have accomplished a lot. We are Olympians, and that is something that a lot of people can only dream of saying. And I just want to say, I won't allow it to let me lose track of the goal.
In encouraging the athletes, Minister Grange reminded them that their work was not in vain.
And so we just wanted you to know, win, lose or draw, we love you, you're ours, and we want you to feel very important and very special. A number of you are still in your early stages of development. And so the future belongs to you.
Gale implored the athletes to take their learning experience into what will be a busy 2022 season.
It's going to be a very robust one because one competition follows another. And so I know they will be getting back to they get a little rest and then they get back into training with their coaches. And those who are carrying niggling injuries, I know they will be worked out and they will be better and get stronger from it.
The World Athletic Championships will be held from July 15 to 22 in Eugene, Oregon in the USA, while the Commonwealth Games will be held from July 18 to August 8 in Birmingham, England.